Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the device and starting the restore. First, make sure your iPhone is charged or plugged in, because restores can take hours. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the download won't fail. Mobile data is unreliable and often capped. Sign into the correct Apple ID. You must use the account that created the backup. Once these are set, go to Settings, erase the device if needed, and choose Restore from iCloud Backup to kick off the process. Now you select the specific iCloud backup and monitor progress. Choose the backup by matching the date, time, and device name so you restore the version you expect. After starting, keep the phone connected to Wi-Fi and power. Interruptions pause or corrupt downloads. You'll see stages: initial account setup, then apps and media download in background. Make sure you stay signed in to Apple ID when prompted, and be patient. Large backups can take many minutes or several hours, depending on size and network speed. To finish, allow apps and media to complete. Some content restores after the initial setup. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, unlock the phone and sign back into any third-party apps that require credentials. If the restore stalls or fails, restart the device and reconnect to a strong Wi-Fi network, then resume the restore. This often resolves temporary glitches. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage and the correct Apple ID. If problems continue, try restoring to another known working Wi-Fi or contact Apple support for deeper issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.